Fast and Furry, the legend of Drift King. In the world of underground racing, legends aren't born on circuits. They're born in living rooms at exactly 3 a.m. No ABS brakes, no traction control, just 4 foot pads and a killer instinct. Look at those wheels spinning. The torque is too much for this tile floor. He's losing grip, but that's part of the plan. Entering the kitchen corner, the perfect Kansei drift technique. He's defied the laws of physics. 0% friction, 100% speed. The finish line has been crossed. No trophy, no money. The only reward is the satisfaction of waking up the whole house. DK Drift Kitty, king of the parquet streets.